Welcome back, everybody, to Orange Track Outlaws. It's race night again. Here we are back at our near empty big bin of cars that we've been doing some race challenges out of. Looks like we're only going to get about maybe 2 left here. I might have to add some cars to get another race in, but anyway, let's start picking some cars for another 36 car matchup here. Let's start off. Start off with the McDonald's NASCAR. How about this guy? Oh, Camaro, Viper. How about this guy? I believe this is a McDonald's car. It's big, kind of heavy. Let's try it. What do we like here? Another Viper. That's, what is that, Shelby Concept? Yep, Shelby Concept. All right. Got here Charger Daytona. Okay, Hot Wheels car. Oh, I can see some Mustangs in here. You know we're gonna race those guys. How about this one? Silver Mustang. The Mini Cooper. Lambo. How about this guy? The old Cougar. How about the NASCAR truck? That looks sweet. Ah, here we go. This should be a good one. Oh, Camaro. Z28. Ultra Hot Wheels. It's a nice looking car right there. Oh, what do we got here? Convertible Camaro. How about this guy? Is this Pagani? Yep, Pagani Hyra. Yes. Hold on a second. A little convertible tuner. Let's get one more here. All right, how about this guy? King Cuda. Sweet. Halfway there. All right. Roll. We got a funny car here. Be a good one. We got Corvette right there. How about this old guy here? Redline. All metal. Metals are fast. What we got here? Oh, the Grand National with the FTEs. All right. Got a lot of Mustangs and Camaros left here. There's a Mustang for you. What's left here? Look at this guy. I think that's a Lotus. Oh, Mitsubishi double shot. Okay, couple more here. The Hot Wheels stock car. See here, we got to take that Challenger. Ooh, how about this guy? Big old Corvette. Take that guy. How about this look? This Mustang right there. Oh, how about one of these newer Mustangs? Okay. What do we like here? What's this guy? Is that a Skyline? Looks like a Skyline. Take that guy. Okay. 6 more. 6 more. What do you want? What do you want? How about the BMW? Yep, BMW M3. Let's take that. Let's take that guy. Look how fast that thing is. How about? Looks like we got another Skyline. Yep, Skyline GTR. Okay, how about this sweet looking blue with white stripes? The old Viper. Got this guy. What do we got there? What is that thing? I think that's a Maserati. Okay. One more. There's a lot of Mustangs and a lot of Camaros to pick here. A couple Dodges. See a Lotus over there. Another Mustang. Alright, what are we going for? What do we want? How about this guy right here? I'll go with this one. Oh, I think this one's got FTEs on it too. Alright, here we go, guys. Here is our lineup. Alright, we're going to mix them up, put them on the starting block, and get to racing. See you in a minute. Okay, race 1. 3, 2, 1. Mustang's out. Corvette tried, but the Mustang took it. Okay, race one's up and ready. Lane 1, we got the Aston Martin DBS. Lane 2, the 05 Dodge Viper. Lane 3, the Pagani Huayra. Lane 4, we got the 07 Mustang GT500. And lane 5, we got the 97 Corvette. And lane 6, we got the Skyline GTR. Who we like here? Who we like? I think I'm gonna go lane 4, that blue Mustang with the FTE wheels. Well, let's find out. Here we go. Mustang's out. Mustang that side, but the Mustang took it. Lane 4. Okay, race 2's up and ready. In lane 1, got the Corvette funny car. Lane 2, the 68 Cougar. Lane 3, we got the King Cuda. Lane 4, the 69 Camaro convertible. Lane 5, the Mitsubishi Eclipse. And lane 6, the Shelby GR1 Concept. Who we picking here? I think I'm gonna go with that lane 1, the funny car. Well, let's race. Okay, race 2 ready. 3, 2, 1. Oh, look at that Cougar. Wow, the old Cougar. Lane 2. Wow, the old Cougar. Lane 2. Okay, race 3 is up and ready. Lane 1, we got the Hot Wheels Stalker. Lane 2, we got the 65 Mustang Fastback. Lane 3, we got the Buick Grand National with FTE wheels. In lane 4, we got the 69 Camaro convertible. In lane 5, the 2012 Mustang. In lane 6, the Mini Cooper. I think I'm going with lane 2. I'm going to go with that silver 65 Mustang. Let's race. Okay, race 3. 3, 2, 1. Grand National's out, Mustang's out. Oh, Stalker come back. Winner, lane 1. Grand National's out, Mustang's out. Oh, Stalker come back. Winner, lane 1. Okay, race 4 is up and ready. Lane 1, we got the Hot Wheels Sweet 16. Lane 2, the Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. Lane 3, we got the 2015 Challenger. In lane 4, we got the Camaro Z28 with the Ultra Hot Wheels. In lane 5, the 2013 Viper. In lane 6, we got the Honda Civic. What do you like? I think I'm going to go with that lane 1, that Sweet 16 all metal Hot Wheels car. Got a feeling. Let's find out. Here we go. Okay, race 4. 3, 2, 1. Lamborghini out front by a good lead. Lane 2. Lamborghini out front by a good lead. Lane 2. Okay, race 5 up and ready. Lane 1, we got the Corvette. Lane 2, we got the Drift King. Lane 3, the 07 Mustang. Lane 4, the Nissan Skyline GTR. Lane 5, the Mitsubishi Double Shots. In lane 6, we got the bumper car. Alright guys, who are you picking? Hands up for the bumper car. I think I'm going with something different. I'm gonna go lane 2. I'm gonna go with that Drift King. Who do you like? Let's race. Okay, race 5. 3, 2, 1. Wow, look at that car out big. Jeez. That Mitsubishi's fast. Wow, look at that car out big. Jeez. That Mitsubishi's fast. Okay, race 6, up and ready. Lane 1, the BMW M3. Lane 2, the McDonald's Stalker. Lane 3, we got the Mustang Mach 1. Lane 4, we got the Circle Trucker. Lane 5, we got the Viper GTS R. In lane 6, we got the Dodge Charger Daytona. Okay, who do we like here, guys? I think I'm going to go with good old Mickey D's. Lane 2. I think there might be some good competition here. That Charger might be good. I don't know. Let's find out. I'm going lane 2. Let's race. Okay, race 6. 3, 2, 1. Circle Trucker's out. Oh, lane 1 coming back. BMW. Circle Trucker's out. Oh, lane 1 coming back. BMW. Okay, finals race is up and ready. This should be a good one. Real good one. Lane 1, we got the Mitsubishi Double Shots. Lane 2, BMW M3. Lane 3, Mustang GT500 with FTEs. Lane 4, Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. Lane 5, we got the Hot Wheels Stalker. In lane 6, we got the 68 Cougar. This is a fast group of cars here. I can't believe how fast that Mitsubishi Double Shots lane 1 here is. That's going to be my pick. I like to go with a couple others. Lambo's fast, Mustang was fast, the Cougar was fast. We'll see. I'm going lane 1. Who you liking? Here we go. Okay, finals race for their shot at the F40. 3, 2, 1. Mustang Cougar's out. Cougar! Oh, Mustang took it. Mustang Cougar's out. Cougar! Oh, Mustang took it. Okay, tonight's champ, the blue Mustang GT500 with the FTEs, gets his shot at the top 3. Lane 1, Firebird Funny Car. Lane 2, Lamborghini Stoke. Lane 5, the Ferrari F40. And tonight's champ is our Mustang GT500. Who's it going to be? Who's it going to be? It's hard to bet against the F40. The Stoke, maybe he's got it tonight. Maybe that Mustang's super fast. Let's find out. Let's race. Okay, Mustang versus the best. 3, 2, 1. Ferrari. Ferrari took it. Ferrari took it. Okay, here's our current champ, the black Ferrari F40. This one bad car. It's fast. It had a couple car lengths on the Mustang, so just the Mustang didn't have enough for it tonight. Lamborghini almost got to it, but still, reigning champ, the black Ferrari F40. Thanks again, guys, for watching another race with me. I think I'm going to be able to get one more out of our bin of cars before we change gears on the racing. There's a real good chance we'll probably have, I'm sure we're going to have a new third place after we race all of our Knights champions and put them in our rankings. We'll probably have a new number 3, I'm sure, but we've gone through a lot of fast cars so far. Anyway, thanks again for watching. Stay tuned for my customs. Please check those out. Got a handful of 3 blind mice challenges in the books now. Some pretty cool stuff going on there. Check out all the other competitors as well. And yeah, thanks again, guys, and we will see you on the next race. See ya.